Here's how you make a seamless Instagram carousel just by using Canva that you can slice into perfectly aligned swipe posts using a third-party tool. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Start by opening a customized size in Canva. Use 5400 by 1080 pixels if you want 6 slides. You can also adjust that depending on how many slides you want. Now once you have your canvas, let's begin with placing the guides. Click on File, then Show Rulers, and Show Guides. Then after that, click on Custom right here to reduce the gap into 0, and in the columns, put the number of your slides to split the canvas into equal sections. Now these purple lines will help you design while keeping everything perfectly aligned. For the first panel, this is going to be your hook. Use a bold question, attention-grabbing statement, or powerful image. Then add a character to make it more interesting. To do that, go to the elements right here and add a rounded square frame. Now place it into the first page, but try to overlap with the second one. This is how we get that seamless frame on each swipe. Then after that, head onto your uploads and choose a photo of the character or something that represents the very essence of your post. Now for the middle panels, deliver your core message. Break down your contents, use consistent fonts, background colors, and a visual flow. Use arrow or continuing lines across the guide to connect the slides smoothly. And on the last panel, create a strong call to action. Invite them to follow, like, save, or visit your profile. Then don't forget to add your icons for engagement and maybe a final visual punch with a bright color or bold image. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. Before posting, download your design as PNG. Then head on to a free tool like Pine Tools or Image Splitter. This is where you slice the image horizontally into 6 equal parts. Just upload your image, choose a horizontal split, and set the number of slices to match your slides. And that's it. Give this layout method a try in your next post, and I assure you, you'll love the pro feel of a seamless carousel. Don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.